Hello, this is librarian Jennifer Bone from the Belleville Campus Library. Today I'm going to show you how to look up books and movies in the SWIC Library Catalog. To get to the library page, go to swic.edu, hover over Student Services, and select Library from the drop-down list. On this page, scroll down underneath the picture until you get to the blue search widget. To look up books and movies online, change the search widget from the Article tab to the Books and Movies tab. You'll get new links that appear, and to search the catalog, just click on the link that says Search. A new tab will open and you're able to type your topic into the Search Anything box at the top of the page. I'm going to type in Bill Clinton, and we'll see how many items will appear in the SWIC Library Catalog, and you'll see that's what we're searching right up here at the top, the SWIC Library Catalog. And we're going to see that there are 166 items that have come up that are in the SWIC Library Catalog on Bill Clinton, either authored by him or that he's mentioned in a particular book. As you look at the material, you'll see some of it is available online. You'll see underneath the title and the author information and also the publication date, it'll have a link that says available online or available at a particular campus. So it might be Belleville, it might be Sam Wolf Granite City. So all those will appear right here on your results page. On the left-hand column is a place where you can tweak your results. So if you want to adjust the sorting of the books and movies that have come up on your list, you can do so by doing this little drop-down menu. Right now, it's sorting your material by relevance. So it's looking at your keyword, and it's trying to match your keyword to the words that it's finding in the title, in the chapters, or maybe in a summary that's tucked in there. You can also put your books and movies with the newest one at the top, with the oldest one at the top, or alphabetical by title or author. You can also look at the availability. You can look at the ones that are held by our library that are just available online. If you're procrastinating and you just need the ones that you can access right away, you can choose that and only these will appear, or if there are open access documents that have been put in here or books that you can gain access to. If you also know that you're only looking for a book or a movie, you can do the source types drop-down option. You'll see that there are 98 books out of this list, 67 videos, and 1 conference proceeding. To look at any of those, you can just check the box or click directly on the word. If you check the box, there's going to be an extra button that you need to click that says Apply Filter. If you click on the word, it'll automatically sort that for you, and you'll see your filter located right at the top of the page. So even though I said I only wanted books, you'll see that I have some books that are still available online. Those are ebooks. If I just want to see the books that might be located at my campus library, I can click on Select My Campus Library, and I can just look at the 73 that are located right here on my campus. Please know that all the campus libraries are doing like a curbside pickup service, but we just have them at the front desk for you. So if you're sitting in class right now and you would like to request some books and have them available to be picked up, all you would have to do is do the click on any of these titles and request them. So if I look at this one, I'll say The Survivor, Bill Clinton in the White House. I can click on the title. I can see that it is available and it's at the Belleville Campus Library. To request it, I can go to the How to Get It area and I can click on Sign In. From here, it's going to ask me to log in, so I just click on Southwestern Illinois College Users. From here, this is where I would log in with my eStorm information. And that's the same information you would use when you log into Blackboard or when you're trying to register for classes in the eStorm portal. For some reason today, it's making me try to sign in twice. Usually you just sign in once and your name appears in the top right-hand corner. I'm going to click on the sign in again. and for some reason it usually doesn't do that. I can see that my name now appears at the top right here, Jennifer Bone. And I see in the How to Get It area, instead of saying how to sign in, I can click on the request link right here. If I click on iShare, that would allow me to request from one of the other 90 college and universities that might own a copy. But since I know I have a local copy that's available, I just want to hit request. Once I do that, I just select my pickup location, which I want to say SWIC, and my campus, which is Belleville, and I can click on Send Request. Now, if you use a book from the library catalog, right above the How to Get It area is this section called Send To. And so this is a way that you can kind of send some information to yourself, like about the book. If you wanted to email your information about the title, who was the author, you can email that to yourself. But the button that I think you all might like is the citation link right here. If you click on citation, you will see all of the citation styles will appear as options. It defaults to the MLA 7th, but the MLA is also included. You can just click on it, and that's going to be the one that presents itself in the box. To take it with you, just copy citation to clipboard, and then you can put it in a Word document and take it with you that way. So it's quick, it's easy, and it's free, but always remember to check the citations to make sure that it's working accurately, because it is a machine that's putting the citation together. So please use the handouts from the Success Center or any books you might have recommended by your instructor to make sure the citation is correct. All right, to go back to our book list, we can click our back button here at the top. If we wanted to look up another book on Bill Clinton, but we wanted to focus on Ken Starr or Monica Lewinsky, all you need to do is add the word and then we can just put Monica Lewinsky. We can press enter or click on the green magnifying glass. And it's going to change our search results, and now we're down to 5 results on this particular topic. So with Monica Lewinsky, we've gone from a larger group, and that's a great way to narrow down and kind of get your focus so that you want to cover that in this particular paragraph. And if you wanted to change it and say, well, now I want to focus on Ken Starr, you can type that in. Now, it doesn't look like there's too many books that deal with Ken Starr and Bill Clinton, but there are. Just remember, we're looking at the SWIC library catalog right now. If we do this drop-down box right here, we can select all iShare libraries, and that means we're going to search over 12 million items to see if there is a book on your topic. So we've changed that to all iShare libraries. I'm going to click on the magnifying glass. And now we have 21 items that will focus on Bill Clinton and Ken Starr. So right here, if I wanted to request it, all I'd have to do is click on the title. To order this particular book, I can just click on the iShare link. Since I'm logged in the top right corner, it remembers that I'm still here, it's still me, and I can just see that my preferred pickup location is SWIC. My campus is defaulting to Belleville, which is perfect, and I can click Send Request. I should get the green box that says your request was successfully placed. To get back to my main list, I can click on this big white X right here, and before I go, I might want to click on that citation button and grab the citation. When the books arrive at the library, you will get an email that says your book is waiting on the hold shelf, and all you need to do is bring your ID card to the front desk and say, I have a book on hold, and you'll get to check it out for a 4-week checkout period. You can renew it and keep it longer if you need to. Now, to see all the books that you have checked out, you can go to the top right-hand corner where your name is, and you're going to be able to look at your account. So I can see the books that I've requested just by clicking on My Requests. So right here, I can see I have several books that I have requested, and I can hit cancel. So for all of these, I can say cancel it. Because I'm not writing a paper on Bill Clinton, just to show you that if you've ordered some books and then you've changed your mind, you can come in here and address those cancellations right here. I can go back to my results list right here. If I wanted to do a different search, if I wanted to do something like Ted Bundy, I can do that right here. Now all these books will come with some hashtags on them. So if you'll see, if you click on the title, you'll see that there is a section that says subjects. In the subjects area, these are like hashtags that are like on a TikTok. So these are labels that librarians have given these books. So if I wanted to make sure I'm getting a book just on Ted Bundy, I can click right on Ted Bundy. You'll see that I'm searching it not as a keyword, and it's not looking at it for the just authors and chapter titles or a summary. It's going to be looking at it from where a librarian has tagged it. So now I've got a smaller results list, but I can see all of these are really focused on my topic. And over on the left, I can click on the subject field and I can see all of these things that will help narrow it down. So I have some books that are labeled Ted Bundy if I want to click right there. True crime stories, 5 of these books are labeled with that label. So sometimes those can be helpful, or if you're just not sure what you want to type in, sometimes these subject labels can be very helpful with figuring that out. So if you need any help with any of these searches, or if the person that you're looking for you're having trouble finding, please come by the library. We're happy to sit down with you, or write us an email. We can make a little personalized video just like this to help you find books and to request it. Once you request books, even if you're requesting it just from Belleville, please know that you will get an email when your books are ready. But you can also just stop by the library, tell us your topic, and we can pull the books off for you immediately. If you have any questions, come and see us. Our contact information is on the library page. Underneath the picture, you'll see a link that says Contact Us. You can contact myself, Jennifer, or you can contact Samantha Rogers. We're always happy to help. Thanks so much. See you soon.